see that true and false are booleans, and they're represented internally as bits, 0 or 1. And so you can actually do math with them. I recommend ignoring that for now and just treating them as true and false because it's a lot simpler. So you can compare them to one another, and you can compare them in a mathematical sense, but I recommend just keeping them true. So here, I've shown you if, and I've shown you how you can optionally add an else. But there's one other thing you can do. So let's say I wanted to do this. Let's say I say it's greater than a 5, less than a 5. So I've changed this thing to greater than. So if I put in 6, it says, hey, it's greater than a 5. And if I put in a 4, it says, hey, it's less than a 5. But if I put in 5 exactly, it's going to give me something that may not be exactly right. Now, it's correct. It's doing what you told it to do, but it may not be what you want to have happen. So what we have here is a test. Is 5 bigger than 5? The answer, of course, is no. The problem down here, we have less than 5. So, as you can see, we have a third condition. And what we need is this if statement. So what's this going to do? What is that?
I was just copying.
Can you figure out how to mute your sound?
It doesn't do that.